Three different ways on how you can create a disappearing videos. One of them is this one you just watched. Stay tuned. Precept upon precept, step upon steps, how you can create a disappearing video. Let's do it. Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. You walk into the scene. All you need to do here is just to make a jump and clap your hand. After that, you can now record an empty background for a few seconds. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut there. You want to click on new video. Then you import your video to workspace, okay? Click it. Click on your video now. Click on volume and reduce it to 0, guys, okay? As you reduce it, you mark on this good here. Then you go back. What we are going to be doing is to mark out your wanted part. So from here now, we are going to click and make a split and delete this first part here. Then you locate the ending part of the video. Immediately you walk out. Click here now and make another split, okay? Then you come and locate where you clap your hand. Immediately you clap your hand, you are going to be clicking it again, okay, to make another split at this point where you clap your hand, okay? So click it here. Take time to do it. Make a split, delete that middle part. So at this point your disappearing video is ready. Let us play it. Good, this is fantastic, okay? But you can see that your clapping did not show. That is why we click it and click on volume. Then we want that clapping to be visible, okay? So that is why we did that. So at this point, this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect and your light effect and every other effect. After that, you are going to be exporting it. But guys, remember that the disappearing we say is 3 different types. So come back here the next time. I'll be showing you the second part, okay? Watch this one to the end and come back here next time. I'll be showing you another pattern, another way of doing this. I am going to be showing you 3 different types on how to create a disappearing video, okay? So at this point now, we click on export to export this one to our gallery. Now it has exported completely. Now it has installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, okay? Guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.